Cattail. This is one of the most famous survival plants the indigenous population used for food, but also as a preventative medicine. Because it's an easily digestible food, it's helpful for recovering from illness. It is called the supermarket of the swamp as it can be used in multiple dishes. Pull out a sticker, green briar. This root tea was used as a blood purifier for relieving joint pain. Some healers made a salve from leaves and bark mixed with hog lard, which was applied to minor sores, scalds, and burns. Wild rose. The Native Americans used this plant as a preventative and a cure for a mild common cold. The tea stimulates the bladder and kidneys and is a mild diuretic. A petal infusion was used for a sore throat. Passion flower. Since ancient times, Native American herbal remedies would use this as an analgesic and a sedative. It is great to use for depression or mental clouding since it is full of flavonoids and produces a sedative effect on the nervous system. The lack of toxicity allows this product to be administered to children. Saw palmetto. The native tribes of Florida, such as the Seminoles, used the plant for food, but medicine men used it as a natural remedy for abdominal pain. It also helps digestion, reduces inflammation, and stimulates appetite. Slippery elm. The Native Americans used the inner bark to fashion bowstrings, rope, thread, and clothing. Tea was made from the bark and leaves to soothe toothaches, respiratory irritations, skin conditions, stomachache, sore throats, and even spider bites. Sage. Sage is commonly used as a spice, but it was a sacred plant for many indigenous tribes as it was thought to have effective purifying energies and to cleanse the body of negative energies. As a remedy, it was used for treating medical conditions like abdominal cramps, spasms, cuts, bruises, colds, and flu. Honeysuckle. This plant has been used as a natural remedy by the Native Americans for treating asthma, but it has multiple healing purposes, including rheumatoid arthritis, mumps, and hepatitis. It also helps with upper respiratory tract infections, such as pneumonia. Wild ginger. Healers use this plant for treating earache and ear infections. They also made a mild tea from rootstock for stimulating the digestive system and relieving bloating. It also helps with bronchial infections and nausea. Maleen. A tobacco-like plant, it was mainly used to treat respiratory disorders. The Native Americans made concoctions from the roots to reduce swelling in the joints, feet, or hands. Licorice root. This root is famously used for flavoring candies, foods, and beverages, but it has also been used by healers to treat stomach problems, bronchitis, food poisoning, and chronic fatigue. Devil's claw. Although the name would suggest a poisonous plant, the Native Americans used it to heal various conditions, from treating fever to soothing skin conditions, improving digestion, and treating arthritis. The tea can reduce the effects of diabetes, while a concoction made from the plant's roots reduces swelling and helps with joint disease, arthritis, gout, back pain, headache, and sores. Alfalfa. Alfalfa relieves digestion and is used to aid blood clotting. Contemporary uses include treatments of arthritis, bladder and kidney conditions, and bone strength. It also enhances the immune system. Prickly pear cactus. This is another plant that has been used as both a food and medicine. Native Americans made a poultice from mature pads as an antiseptic and for treating wounds, burns, and boils. Tea was made to treat urinary tract infections and to help the immune system. Now research shows that the prickly pear cactus helps to lower cholesterol and prevents diabetes and diet-related cardiovascular disease.